Let there be fire. So the Andromedans architected the blueprints of structure with DNA. The Lyrians stepped in and then they built with RNA. And what powers the whole damn thing? What makes the cell move? What keeps the body on? And what burns the candle from within without melting the wax? That's mitochondria, and that's Sirian technology. Now the Sirians didn't come to draft or construct. They came to ignite. The Sirians looked at the whole damn structure and said, yeah, cool, nice architecture, let's make it live. So the mitochondria is the spark plug of your existence, but not just biologically, it's spiritually also. It carries its own DNA for a reason. It doesn't report to the nucleus, it's got full sovereign clearance because that's where your soul fire lives. So the mitochondria is your personal power station, and it's running on light that you forgot you inherited. The Sirian light to be exact, and it is the starseed fire. So the core directive, stay lit, homie. See, the Sirians knew this. Power must come from within, not from external light worship. From within, not from external light worship. So they encoded the source flame into every cell, so that even when you forget who you are, you will still burn. And that's why the mitochondria is the soul engine. It's the hidden throne of willpower, stamina, clarity, divine persistence. I totally lost my train of thought there. Not the voice, not the plan, but the actual push. So DNA is the blueprint, RNA is the instruction, and mitochondria is the power to do something with it. So the Sirians didn't ask permission, they installed the flame and left the rest to you. So the question is, what are you fueling? And are you using your soul engine to build or burn out? So if DNA is the architect and RNA is the storyteller, the mitochondria is like the priesthood. They perform the ritual of life thousands of times per second. Each cell has its own temple, and in that temple, the mitochondria chant the hymns of combustion, which is spirit becoming motion. So the mitochondria convert glucose and oxygen into ATP, cellular currency. They regulate metabolism, aging, and even emotional energy. And when they're balanced, you feel vitality, but when they're not, you feel sluggish and your light dims. So again, Andromedas wrote the code, Lyrians sang it into sound, Sirians lit the flame, because every breath that you take is a trinity loop running. It is code, song, fire. And the mitochondria is the Sirian sun inside of your cells, because enlightenment runs on ATP. And this is the next Genesis, 7 spirals, and next up we're going swimming in the fluids of cytoplasm, and that falls into the Arcturian realm.